How to create a group in Telegram? You just have to open Telegram app and make sure to log into your Telegram account. Then go to the pencil icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, tap on New Group at the top of the screen, and here you can select any person that you want to create a group in Telegram with. You just have to tap and hold the user. So in this way, you can tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Or else, if you don't find the contacts in this way, then you can tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and easily add the user if you don't find the contacts here. Now go to arrow and you need to tap on the group's name and you can easily add the group name as well or enter the group name here. If you want to turn on auto delete messages, you need to tap on auto delete messages and you can select the time duration here. Let's make it off for now. You can also add the picture of new group. After that, tap on tick mark and now you can successfully chat or uh, make a voice call or video call with this users on a group on Telegram. So you have successfully created a group in Telegram. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.